Now I gotta ride or die.
Hey guys, so my Audi A5 MMI screen became very dark and on a sunny day almost unreadable. The brightness was all the way up, but it just didn't become brighter. So I bought a new one from AliExpress. I found out that it should be 6.5 screen. To remove the trim, I just pulled it out from the bottom and it popped out. After removing the trim, I pulled out the connector for the buttons. Now, the screen itself is held by 4 Torx screws. Unscrew them to remove it. And the trim is held by 4 clips located here. The clips insert in these slots. So the 4 screws that hold the screen are Torx T20. Let's unscrew them. Now what's left is the screen connector. Let's unplug it. It's stuck in place quite good, just give it a wiggle or two until it pops out. Let's unbox the new screen. As you can see, the connector replacement is different, but the plug connector still fits. It's time to check if the screen is working properly. And as you can see, it is. To put the trim back, firstly connect the plug, then push in the trim's top side and then push in the bottom and it should fit right in. I forgot to mention that you should plug in the trim button plug first before testing the screen, because an airbag warning light will come up. Thanks for watching.